Hello.
What up? It's your girl Gucci.
And Lady Lexi D.
We about to sing about Ratchet Girl.
This is Ratchet Girls at PV Nation.
Hold up.
And
keep going.
you know what? I think we should just put this in the song.
Yourself.
Because you know what?
Put it on five people. I'm not out the house like that.
She's doing the most. She is doing the most.
OMG, what does she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Because she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna put this girl picture.
Because she ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on.
And you know you ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with some shoes on.
Cause you ratchet.
I want to punch her in her face.
She ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake.
She ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got, my Mr.
Bar one.
My baby boy. And he came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club.
Alright.
Middle of the floor, no shoes.
West side.
Had to get cute today. Alright, at bottom of the purple.
Alright.
Had to keep it really good. Let's say that he should.
Alright.
Baby need shoes today. Okay. Chest work is get through today. Girl, get this blue today. Gone, beat it up. Move,
Get out my way.
It's a 15, I got some food stamps, a brand new piercing, a brand new test,
Right.
paying $5 for the squeeze, plus test. Been a thing, I'm gonna watch that for fun. No real hair, that's can't alone. Thinking that you better than you think you're stupid. She alive, my number.
Bye.
What's wrong with you? You stupid.
Oh,
Hey, girl.
you looking cute. Working them here. Turn around to the song and
Okay. Okay.
We'll talk to you later, TV girl.
OMG, what does she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She ratchet.
Man, let me take this picture.
So she ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on
You
Twitter.
know you ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
She ratchet.
Punch her in her face.
She ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake.
She ratchet.
My name is Gucci, but my girls call me her. The club is free before it learns. Yes, I'm the baddest. You have this boo-boo sorry. The 2 Chainz is my future, baby, baby.
All of that hate want me. I don't care what y'all say.
My first Dark skin. We don't like the red.
What you saying?
Just look in my picture. Who got the glitter? Hit me on my Facebook and follow me on Twitter.
Get at me.
And Chris Brown. Team Chris Brown.
Alright.
If you don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down.
What you trying to do?
Team that shit.
Yeah.
Team got your man. He got a lot of money in his team. He's paying.
That right. Because you ratchet. He might sit on me, I'm on my shit, and you ratchet.
I am the baddest. I'm Team Flip on.
Okay.
Team Shut It Down.
What's wrong with her? What's wrong? Ooh, she trifling.
Ooh. What does she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm going to take this picture.
She ratchet.
Got it. I'm going to put this thing on Twitter.
You know you ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
You ratchet.
Well, I'm punching her face.
She ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake.
She ratchet. Girl, what you think she got left her skin and left her tattoos on? All that red weed. What you trying to do? I mean, I said it.
Like, come now. Like,
What you want to do?
What
you wanna do?
That was just like, really?
Oh my God.
I don't be on Twitter.
Boy, bye.